Hi everyone, how you guys doing? Hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel again. Today's video is about how to import an image in 3ds Max. So first open your 3ds Max. The first step is set your planner to apply or import the image. So press the F key on your keyboard for the front viewport. Now create the planner. Go to geometry. Select the planner tool. Now press and hold the left key and drag it. Try to set this line in the center. It's a good habit for a designer, but right now it's not necessary. Now you have your first planner. Now go to perspective. Press the L on your keyboard for the left viewport and create one more planner. Select your both planner and go to modifier one by one. Now reduce the segment to 1. Set length and the width according to your image. If your image are too big, you can divide the size of your image to fill here. Like if my image size is 500 by 300 pixels, I can fill the amount 250 by 150 pixels. You can see the size of your image if you don't know what is the size of your image. So first select your image, then right click on your image, go to properties, detail. Here is your length and width or dimension. Another way is I'm going to use, I will fill the amount same as my image. This is the size of my image. Do the same thing with left planner. Length should be same of both images and illustration should be of same size like this. Now I will reduce both images and align them. Images should be placed on same level. Create setup to import image. Select your planner, front side planner, go to material editor, select one of this material base, go to diffuse, choose bitmap, select your image, if you select your front side planner, then select the image of your front profile of same size. Open your image, then click on the option assign material to your selection. If you still can't see your image, so click on show standard map in viewport. Do the same with left planner. Select your planner, go to material editor, select one of the material base, go to diffuse, choose bitmap, select your image with left profile, click on assign material, then click show standard map in viewport. If your image is not in right proportion, then you can correct it from here, the mirror option. Let's try to correct this. You can see the result. Okay, left side angle should be in this side or front side. This tutorial is more important just to how to import an image in 3ds Max. It's about how to create a 3D character or a model like a car in proper way. This is the starting of that process. I'm going to end this tutorial here, but I decide I will complete all the part of this tutorial, creating the 3D character or model. So see you again. Till then, watch my other videos. But guys, you are not subscribing my channel and I don't like it. Why you find it so difficult to subscribe my channel? But I'm still hoping. Thank you, my subscriber. Thank you, my current subscriber. You are my motivation, and my future subscriber. You are my hope. So please don't think too much. Just subscribe the channel. Hit the bell button, which is very important. Like my videos and give me good comments. And if you have any question, ask me there. So bye and see you again.